slurping sounds can be heard. Several students are using metal straws as peppy music begins. The words, "The Indiana University Kokomo Office of Sustainability just got the last straw you'll ever need," appear on the screen. A student is wearing a shirt that says, "No shame in my recycling game," is holding up a metal straw to the camera and says,
"This metal straw is the last straw you'll ever need. It's just one of many ways you can make a major environmental impact."
A globe is shown in a darkened room sitting on a pedestal.
Did you know 500 million plastic straws are used every day in the United States alone? That's enough to wrap around the earth twice. Most machines can't recycle them because of their size. They don't biodegrade, but they break up just enough to show up in our food and water, and they can endure forever.
Plastic straws are dropped on the globe in a darkened room.
Yep, we face a big plastic waste problem, but we'll get out of it by making a lot of small, good decisions. It doesn't take much to make a difference, and reusable metal straws will help us get there. So if you've got a slurp, you can find your metal straw in stores or online. Learn how you can help others make small, good decisions at iuk.edu/sustainability.
Indiana University Kokomo, fulfilling the promise. iuk.edu.